Now we start the relation between UV and R of a spherical mirror. The spherical mirror are both concave and concave mirror. So U is the object distance, V is image distance, and R radius of curvature. Now you start a concave mirror. Our aperture is very small. P is the pole. This is a concave mirror, and this is the principal axis. C is the center of curvature. A point object O situated at O, point object on principal axis. A ray, incident ray from O at the point of incident A. So the angle of incident is theta. Angle of incident theta makes an angle theta. So CA is normal at A on mirror mm prime. So the incident angle theta and the reflected angle are equal. This is equal to theta, and principal axis meet at the point I. Point object O through two rays, one is as OA and other OP. OP is the normal at P. OP is the normal at P on the mirror. So that the reflected angle through PO comes from P. So the reflected ray, both reflected ray meet at the point I. I is the real image, form real image. Later we can consider the angle is equal to alpha and beta and gamma. Angle AOP is equal to alpha, angle AC P equals to beta, and angle AIP is equal to gamma. The mirror aperture is very small, so point of A is near equals to pole P. We can write the angle beta is equal to alpha plus theta. Triangle OAC, beta is the exterior angle, is equal to sum of interior two angle, and triangle OAI, gamma is equal to alpha plus 2 theta. Both the equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, gamma is equal to alpha plus 2 theta. 2 theta is equal to 2 beta minus 2 alpha. 2 beta minus 2 alpha, or gamma is equal to gamma plus alpha is equal to 2 beta. So alpha, beta, gamma is very small. So tan alpha is equal to AP upon OP, beta is equal to AP upon CP, and beta gamma is equal to AP upon PI. So gamma from equation 3, put this value AP upon PI plus AP upon OP is equal to 2 into AP upon CP, or PI plus OP is equal to aperture is very small, so point A near close to P. So you can write alpha, beta, gamma, this and this. PI is the image distance, both OP is equal to minus U, CP is equal to minus R, and PI is equal to minus T. The sign convention pole P is the origin. So the image distance, object distance, and radius are curvature. A sign convention, these are negative. So on PI minus V plus minus U is equal to 2 into 1 upon minus R. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 2 by R. So the relation between U, V and R.